Hey, techies. Once in the realm of technology, there was a kingdom known as Google, where brilliant minds worked tirelessly to solve the grand puzzles of the digital world. Among them were three renowned wizards, Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. They observed the lands of programming, noting the challenges and shortcomings faced by the inhabitants, and they dreamt of crafting a new language, a beacon of efficiency and simplicity. Thus, in the forges of innovation, they created Go, also known as GoLang, a language not born of whimsy but of necessity and foresight. GoLang is a modern programming language known for its efficiency and ease of use. Statically typed, variables are explicitly declared, ensuring type-related errors are caught early, enhancing code robustness and maintainability. Compiled, code compiles directly into machine code, ensuring fast execution without the need for an interpreter or a virtual machine. Efficiency, renowned for its swift compilation to machine code and execution speeds, on par with C or C++. Features a powerful standard library and built-in support for concurrency, optimizing performance for network services and high-demand applications. Ease of use, boasts a straightforward syntax and structure, prioritizing clarity and readability. Encourages clean, maintainable code, making it an ideal choice for both short-term projects and long-term development by teams. Go was created to address some of the common criticisms of other languages without sacrificing the positive features that developers need. For instance, it sought to provide the speed of C++, the readability of Python, and the concurrency support of Java, all in one language. The language's design avoids the complexity of C++, like header files, pointer arithmetic, etc., and the slow execution of dynamically typed languages like Python. A wide range of prominent companies from different sectors have embraced Go for its robust performance, scalability, and user-friendly nature. Here are some renowned names that have integrated Go into their operations: Google, Uber, Netflix, Dropbox, Medium, etc. These companies are just a snapshot of Go's broad industry adoption. Its strengths in handling high-performance computing and scalable infrastructure make it a favored choice among enterprises dealing with large-scale, high-traffic applications. To install Go, you can go to the official Go installation guide. You will have instructions to install on various operating systems below. Mine is Mac, and I have Go installed already on my machine. Open the terminal now and type Go version. Now you can see that Go is successfully installed on my machine. Let's write our first program in Go. You can use any text editor you like. Visual Studio Code, GoLang, and Sublime Text are popular choices with good support for Go. I am using Visual Studio Code. If you see under Go Projects, I'm creating a new file called welcome.go. Now write the following code package: main import fmt function main. fmt println, welcome to BrainBloom Tech. Before I run the Go file, let me explain you few of the things from file. Let's start with package main. Think of a package in Go as a way to group code. It's like a folder on your computer where you keep related files. The package main is special. It tells Go this is where the program starts. Only one package in your whole program can be the main package. It's the entry point of your program. Import fmt. Import is used when you want to use code from another package. It's like saying, I need to use some tools from another toolbox. FMT is one of the standard packages that come with Go. It stands for format. It has tools, functions, for dealing with text, like printing text to the console. By importing FMT, you're telling Go, I want to use the tools in the FMT package in my program. Function main. Func is short for function. A function is a piece of code that does something. It's like a mini program within your program. Main is the name of a function. The main function is very special in Go because it's where your program starts running. When you run your program, Go looks for the main function in the main package and runs the code inside it. The parentheses, after main are where you would put inputs to the function, but main doesn't take any inputs, so they're empty. Now let's run the Go file. Navigate to the directory where your hello.go file is located. Run the program by typing go run welcome, go. The go run command compiles and runs the program. You should see Welcome to Brainbloom Tech printed to the terminal. Let's talk about few more concepts in next video. Thanks for watching.